This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, October the 6th, 2012. Now it's time to take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a trough overhead with the energy moving across the Great Lakes and into Canada, and another batch of energy over the Rockies. And with that, we'll have some rain and snow well to our west and some rain and snow well to our north and east. And around here, be very cool and breezy with temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Just a very raw day. Sunday, it'll be a little bit warmer. Highs back at least into the 50s across the state. Maybe nearing 60 in the far west, with mainly sunny skies and lighter winds. Monday, temperatures warm up into the 60s, maybe upper 50s in the far northeast, with a storm system moving across the U.S.-Canadian border, bringing some rain and even some rain-snow mix there. That'll move to the east on Tuesday. That'll drag a front through here. Unfortunately, all the moisture with this will be to our north and east. There could be a few clouds, and temperatures will fall back into the 50s. Wednesday, it'll be still relatively cool in the 50s to lower 60s, with all the precipitation over the Great Lakes and to the east, some over Texas as well. Thursday, the cold air still just to our north, be back into the 60s across most of the state here on Thursday, with Gulf of Mexico moisture returning from the south. That'll be creeping into Nebraska, Kansas, and Missouri here on Friday, with a big vortex and a big low up here well off between Greenland and Labrador. And a week from today, next Saturday, we'll have another system coming in from the south and from the southwest, with the Gulf of Mexico open. The energy will be moving through the eastern Dakotas into Minnesota, and that could spark off some showers and possibly even a few thunderstorms at this point. And temperatures looking like we'll be back into the 60s, maybe around 70 again, if this is right. A couple days later, on the 17th, we have pretty much a zonal flow west to east along the northern tier of the country, a ridge over the south. And if this is right, we could see some fast-flowing storm systems, but most of them look to be well to our north. It will be warmer, seeing highs here mainly in the 60s, maybe near 70 if this is right. And at the end of the forecast on the 21st, this is not a warm pattern, a very high amplitude pattern, a big trough over the middle part of the country, including Iowa. And if this is right, very cold air will be coming down, and a big snowstorm could be possible just to our east. But we've seen everything out this far out, so this could change. But the satellite image from last night wasn't changing that much. We had a frontal system that was bringing the cold air down. It's from about Buffalo to Columbus, Cincinnati, down to about Memphis, some cloudiness to the west and across South Florida. The watch warning map from last night, lots of frost and freeze watches, warnings, and advisories. A winter storm advisory and a warning in Wyoming into the Nebraska Panhandle, and some red flag warnings in the Pacific Northwest, and elsewhere it was quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days to Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing nothing around the state of Iowa. Most of the precipitation will be along that frontal system that's moving east out of the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. And that's it.